You're too big for that, huh?
Yeah.
Can you bring it over here and we can put Kyle in it?
No, I want to sit and see.
Thank you. Oh, you're going to sit?
Yeah.
You're a little big, don't you think?
Yeah.
What are you doing?
Cheese.
I'm taking a video of you. You can talk to me.
Yeah.
What? How you doing today?
Good.
What you been up to?
Papa.
What?
Papa.
What have you been doing this morning?
With my friends.
You've been playing with your friends? You've been tormenting Bella? Yeah?
Yeah.
What'd you do with Bella?
Pick her up.
You picked her up? What did you put her?
Down in the seat.
In the bumbo seat. Did she like it?
Yeah.
Okay, let me put Kyle in it. Can you give me that, please?
No, I want to sit in it.
No, honey, we're going to put Kyle in it, okay?
Oh, give me that back. I want to sit in it.
It's Kyle's turn, Emily.
It's my turn. Oh.
Emily? Honey?
I want to share.
You want to share? Okay, well, it's Kyle's turn.
No, it's not.
I think it is.
No, it's not.
Okay, give Kyle a turn.
No.
Emily, you want to go to timeout?
Yeah, with this.
Emily, if you go to timeout, you're not taking that chair. Let Kyle have a turn. Get up, please.
Okay.
Thank you. Thanks. Okay, let's see if Kyle likes it.
Okay.
Let me put him down in the chair. Oh, hold on. There we go.
He's gonna lick it. He's gonna lick it, Mommy.
He's gonna lick it? I don't think so. He's not gonna eat it.
Yeah.
Hi, Kyle. Hi, buddy. What are you doing in your chair? You like it? Do you like it? Mommy's talking in the squeaky voice for you. Yeah? So what are you doing in your chair?
What's wrong, Mama? What's wrong? Oh, no, that's my turn.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Look, let's make Kyle laugh. Can you talk to him?
Big hi. Wait to talk to me.
You want him to talk to you?
Yeah.
What do you want to say, Kyle? What do you want to say? Wait, baby. Hold on. Hold on. Honey. Thank you.
Oh,
Can Mommy do it, please?
yeah, we do it too. Let's share
Okay.
together.
Okay, we'll share together.
Okay.
Kyle. Hi, Stinker. What are you doing? You're sitting up like a big boy. You're sitting up like a big boy. Yes, you are. You're such a big... Let go, Em. No, no, no.
Now share. Ow! 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 It's not a little. It's not big.
Yeah, okay. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, Kyle.
Bye-bye, guys.